Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly identify and monitor items that have fallen below their minimum stock level, or MSL, using a simple if formula and the filter function. You'll see me build this step by step, and I'll read out exactly what I'm typing so you can follow along. First, look at the lower table, which lists all materials along with their item code, item name, MSL, and current stock. We're going to add an order fill indicator that will say yes whenever the current stock is less than the MSL. Otherwise, it will say no. I'll click into the first order fill cell, which in this sheet is cell F15. Now I'll type the formula, equal if, then open bracket. Next, I point to the current stock cell in the same row, that's E15. I type the less than sign, and then point to the MSL cell, that's D15. So far we have equal if function, open bracket, E15, less than, D15. Then I type a comma, followed by the text in quotes, yes. Then another comma, followed by the text in quotes, no. Finally, I close the bracket. I hit enter, and you can see the result for this row. If current stock is smaller than MSL, we see yes. Otherwise, we see no. Now I'll copy this formula down the entire order fill column so every item gets evaluated. As I release, the column populates with yes or no for each item based on its stock versus MSL. With that indicator in place, I'm ready to build a dynamic summary in the top table that only shows items requiring attention, specifically the rows where order fill equals yes. I'll place my cursor in the first cell of the top results area, which is B8 for item code. We'll use the filter function to return only those rows that meet our condition. Before I type, a quick note on ranges. I'm going to reference the full data table from the lower section. Let's assume the structured ranges for columns B through F start at row 15 and extend through your last row. I'll now type the formula, equal filter, then open bracket. First argument is the array we want to return. I'll select the entire block of data from B15 through F31, so that includes item code, item name, MSL, current stock, and order fill. Then I type a comma. Second argument is the include condition. I select the order fill column from F15 through F31, then type equals, quote, yes, quote. That tells Excel to include only the rows where order fill is yes. If you want, you can add an optional third argument for what to display if nothing matches. I'll type another comma, quote, no items below MSL, quote. Then I close the bracket. I press enter. Immediately, the top table fills with just the items that are below the minimum stock level. If at any time your stock data updates, the yes and no indicators will recalculate automatically, and the filter output in the top table will update as well. This gives you a live dashboard of items to reorder. If you found this instruction valuable, I invite you to subscribe for more concise Excel techniques and best practices.